All right, guys. So I was able to get the alternator in. Let me show you. Obviously, it was a pretty easy job. If you guys haven't done it before, it's pretty simple. But brand new alternator. The wires are, this crap right here, whoever did this should be shot. But you know, it works. Eventually, I'd like to replace that fuse linkage wire, because it's just not gonna hold up eventually, and I got to clean up all of this other stuff. Whoever had this before me just didn't do much of anything. But it turned out, so my battery was actually needed to be recharged as well. But I'm glad I got a new alternator, because I'd rather just have a new alternator. So let's see if it fires up, and we'll rejoice in the sounds and glory. So fires right up. Yeah. I definitely need to get a tune-up though. But it's running now. Pretty decent. I need to change the oil, I'm sure. Eventually I'd like to put the AC compressor back in. But eventually this is all gonna come out. I'm gonna switch to a tunnel ram with a Hillborn scoop, and switch the wheels out for some better looking. Well, these are cool, but I don't want to keep it a shop truck. I'm gonna make it a nice little cruiser. Change the mirrors out, and hopefully get a paint job and get a better hood. But that's the Blue Beast, guys. She's running. Can't complain. I'm happy. Check back with me next time. We'll see what we got new, all right?